Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. Well, today I'm quite excited. I'm going to be cooking something really tasty, Lebanese lamb mince. It's got some beautiful flavours in there. You really must try this recipe for yourself. It's so easy to do, it's cheap to make, and I love cheap, so let's get on with the show. So for our ingredients, we're going to need some lovely lamb mince that I've got here, 3 tomatoes, medium sized, a couple of mushrooms, 3 cloves of this garlic I've got here, 1 red pepper, 1 white onion that's going to be chopped, some olive oil for the cooking, and we need 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, I do love cinnamon. Gives it that delicious Middle Eastern taste. Then we need some salt and some pepper for the seasoning. Moving on, we'll need some stock. I've got lamb stock here, about half a litre, that's fine. Some chilli powder, not too much. I mean, I quite often just like a little touch, just to give it a little bit of a kick, warm you up a bit. And of course some harissa, if you can get it. And some rice. I'm going to cook this first and then use it. So, into a pan we go with some olive oil, followed by the lamb mince. In that goes. Don't leave that paper on it, that won't taste very nice, will it? Then break this down and get it cooking. We want to brown it off and then we can add the onions. We're going to leave those in there to sweat down a little bit and get nice and soft and start getting those flavours going. Then we can go in with the garlic. Chopped, not crushed. Pop that in, give this a stir. Then we can go in with our spices. I mix these all together, that's okay. Chuck them all in one go. Followed by our mushrooms, tomatoes and the chopped up red pepper. All chopped about the same size, roughly the same size, sort of bite sized you might say. Gives this a good mix together, then we can add our seasoning. Bit of sea salt, put that in. Bit of freshly cracked black pepper, as they say. We'll crack that in. Now it's time to add the stock. Put that in. Give this another stir. Nice and gently does it. Get all those flavours on the go. Put the lid on and we're going to let this cook down for about 15 minutes and then you end up with this. Now it's looking delicious, isn't it? Time to add the rice. As I said before, this is pre-cooked now, nice and fluffy, been rinsed. And stir this in again. Now it's time to plate it up. It's looking good. One more, that should be enough for me. Now for our little taste test. Okay guys, let's see what this tastes like. It tastes fantastic. It's got some wonderful flavours in there. It's all come through with the cooking. It's beautiful. It's as if I'm on holiday. Well, actually I am. I'm retired. Never mind. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hope you've enjoyed this video and I'm going to enjoy the rest of this meal. Please join me. See you next time. Bye for now.